We've got our earnings and the price went down even though we have good earnings, 6,000% suppressed for the last Thursday, 9th of May for Mara. The price pulled back and now reversed once again. For Coinbase, we have a huge channel to break and go on the Polish side. Of course, Coinbase have a good earnings as well. Right, we have a good earnings as well, but we pulled back. So we have the same scenario for all of them, guys. Have good earnings, but pull back. Know why? Market maker playing games on day traders. They want to buy cheaper price for all of them before the squeeze. So in today's video, we have to discuss how we're gonna play against them and make money with the market maker. So let's dive right in. Hit the like button. If you watching this video is me, YouTube algorithm love you guys. And how you gonna pay back for YouTube algorithm love? Of course, by hitting the like, subscribe, and comment section below for the target for those crypto stocks. So let's dive right in and let's discuss Mara, Coinbase, and Riot. And before we go further, guys, remember we always do a chart analysis update for mini stocks, FFIE, ASTS, CRKN, all those stocks pumped from the day that we did this chart analysis update. And of course, we close our trade for those stocks with a nice profit. So if you want to join and have early access for those stocks, you can join us, guys, in our Discord and Patreon. You can join our community. Day trade we do every day. Live streaming we do every day before the market open. We have many alerts and of course a big community to join. So the link comes section below if you want to join our Discord and Patreon. And the other thing, of course, many of you asking me about the best trading platform. Of course, if you live in the United States, the best one you can choose Momo because you have 1.5% cash reward, and of course 7 free fractional shares you can win, like Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Nvidia, and the other blue chip companies. So the link comes section below, of course, for Momo to join, and of course win those 7 free fractional shares. So now let's go for Mara and discuss the game plan. First, guys, for Mara, we have a big seller just came just before the earnings. Sneaky bastards, guys. Look at this. Around the 21, they shorted the stock even though we have a good earnings. The good thing is we're still holding the 1420 as we discussed before. We said this is the bottom that we should hold. We held it. And of course, we have this trend. We're still doing higher lows from below. Look at this. So we have a big buyer bought here around the 14, then bought around the 15, bought around the 16, and now by the next week, guys, we have to break the 21. So put alert around the 21 for Mara because this will be the first signal that the market maker loading up on Mara right now. The other one, we have Coinbase. The same. We have a big seller around the 240. They add their position right before the earnings, even though the earnings is green and it's really good. Look at this. Suppressed 300%. This is madness, guys. For Mara, 6,000. Coinbase, 600. So this is not normal, guys. This is not normal, almost 300. So now we got an opportunity for a reversal because look at this. We have a perfect bearish trend and the price is about to squeeze from this level. We have one test, second test, third test, fourth test, and now we're waiting for the fifth test. This will be the final test in order to break this bearish channel and break the 240. Of course, I'm not forgetting, guys. I'm gonna go back to Mara price target, profit taken, of course, after we break the 21. For Coinbase as well, we're gonna discuss the profit after we discuss Riot. Riot, the same, guys. We have a perfect earnings. Let me just check how much suppressed. Oh man, 500% for Riot, and the price go down even though. What does this tell you, guys? This is a big game plan, guys, like manipulation for the market maker to buy cheaper price for Riot. How are we going to confirm that? Of course, we have to hold the 780 and a big picture and the $13. So Riot is a bit far from the resistance because if you see, Mara is really hugging the resistance and will be the first one that will actually jump for the next week because we are just below the 21. For Coinbase, at least we have this ascending channel, which is really near to break. For Riot, we're a bit far from it because for Riot, we have a bigger jump than Mara and Riot. That's why we're consolidating more. So for Riot, we have to watch out for the 13 resistant break. Now, Let us go back to Mara and discuss where the profit taken and how much we could make if we broke the 21. First, we broke the 21, we're gonna have 15% around the 24.50. Now you say, Jesus, oh, come on, 15% is nothing. Yes, it's nothing for Mara, but I'm saying this is the level we're gonna have a pullback to. So if you day trade, this will be a good fallible signal or good fallible price to watch out for, because we have to pull back. This is normal. The market go up and down. You see, the is really unusual. We're gonna have this kind of jump without a pullback, big jump, pullback, big jump, pullback. This is the market. If you never traded before, this is the market going up and down. So that's why we say 24.50 will be tested first, and then we're gonna have a pullback, then going toward the 28.90. So in total, we might do at least 45% for Mara. For Coinbase, we might do, let me just check from here, before even the breakout, we can do 23% and 33%. So in Coinbase, in the big picture, we're still in bullish run, guys. If you go on the 4-hour chart, please go there. And the 4-hour chart, you see this stairway to heaven, guys. Look at this beautiful chart, up and down, and it's still in bullish run, even though if we pull back around the 161, which is the current bottom for this year, and the short, we should actually hold over this support between the 161 and 194. Even if we went until the 161, in a big picture, we're still good to go higher for Coinbase, at least around the almost the 300. Right, finally, we have almost how much we can do here, 48% and almost 80%. So we got a major level of profit taking to hit, as long as we hold the $7.80. Guys, we're gonna do update for all those crypto stocks by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, exclusive live streaming. First time we're gonna do it by Monday for our elite hunters, guys. And the link, we're gonna put it there around elite request. Last time we did it on Thursday, of course. Today we're gonna do early live streaming like this one. Make sure if you are on the elite level, guys, and be sure, make sure to check the elite requests before the market open by 4 hours or 1 hour and 30 minutes after the pre-market open, guys, or around 11:30 CET. We're gonna go early this time because the market last Friday, it was crazy, man, and we missed a lot of opportunity because most of the stocks jumped in the pre-market. So this is why we're gonna go live early for our elite hunter. You can upgrade your level, guys, and if you are a discipline hunter or Patreon, in order to have access to this live streaming. And of course, we might have another live streaming again after we finish our live streaming on YouTube. 30 minutes, we're gonna do recap for our elite hunter again. This is a new live streaming, guys, for our elite hunters that we're gonna do for tomorrow. For the time being, we're gonna do usual live streaming 30 minutes before the market open on our hunter channel for YouTube before the market open, of course. So guys, wait for a huge reaction for tomorrow, because we're gonna have a huge action. And of course, before I forget, if you are on the Discipline or on the YouTube membership, or even on the King level, we're gonna do the live streaming like before the market open by 2 hours or 1 hour and a half before the market open here as usual, and the pre-market alert. And even if you have a requested stock or question for any stocks, we're gonna cover it together on the pre-market live stream on our Discord and this show. So thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow, guys.